everybody, are you planning a visit to Disney World during rainy season, where I'm going to take you with me so I can show you what you need to have on you so that you don't miss out on any of the fun? The reason why I decided to do this video for you guys is so that when you come and visit, what just happened to us does not happen to you. By the way, my cameraman is Marky Mouse.
Hi, it's Marky. I'm on the production team.
So we were supposed to be at Hollywood Studios today, and it started raining cats and dogs. We couldn't go in. We didn't have any of the proper shoes, rain gear, any of that. So I just want to make sure when you guys visit, you're prepared. So we're at the trusty Walmart. Where else can you find good cheap stuff? So $3.25, guys. In the parks, you're going to be paying about $13 for the ponchos. If you're on a budget, you need to check out Walmart first because you're going to have a variety of ponchos to choose from. Oh my God, we found the mother load. These are $4.97, so $5. And look at this. It's all kinds of Disney ponchos. You even have kid-sized ones right there. You have a wide selection. And this is where I'm picking from. If you're not sure about the size, you can see it right here in the corner. These are the adult ones. And then right here over in the same corner, so your left corner, those are the child ones. So we're actually going to pick up a Mickey and a Minnie. Since we live here right in Orlando, we're going to go ahead and put everything in a bag and keep it in the car. I grabbed the Stitch bag. They've got a ton of bags here, guys. Let me show you. And they're only $6.97. Look at the selection that you have. There's the Stitch that I grabbed, but you can get anything you want here. Basically, you have Mickey, Minnie, and the princesses, all for $6.97. All right, now I'm really confused because there's another set of ponchos, and these are $5.97. It also has a really nice selection, but these actually say the size. So this one says 40 by 52. They do mark them adult or child, but this particular one says 40 by 52. We don't know what size the other one is, so we're actually going to take one of each. Okay, this has nothing to do with avoiding the water and preparing for the rain, but it caught my eye. You have a bunch of fans that actually have the water bottle attached to it, and that is to beat the heat. They're $14.97 here at Walmart. And here you have all of the water socks that you need. $15 with a huge selection. And this is definitely on our list of things to have in the car. Behind me, you see a bunch of flip-flops. They're actually only $2, guys. $2. Now, I am not a fan of wearing flip-flops in the rain. It's going to be flipping and flopping, and you might be falling. So I do recommend either the water shoes or the sandals that are actually kind of the ones that hold you in place. I'm going to show you what I'm considering right now. But they do have nicer flip-flops on this side for $15.97 and $12.97. And you've got an awesome selection. So maybe not for those rainy days, but for the pool days, this is something you might want to consider. If you go over to the regular shoe section, you're going to have all of these sandals to choose from. But I still need something that's got a strap in the back to kind of hold my feet in place. They even have Croc-like shoes. You know, I should try these. I have never tried Crocs. I always find them ugly, but I see people wearing them all the time. And these are supposed to be good for the water. I tried these on. These are called Joy Bees brand. They're actually very comfortable. I don't know if the Crocs are as comfortable as this. This is something that might actually be a good option. I do have some non-slip sandals at home that will wrap around my feet. I was hoping to find something new. This is cool, but the color, I'm never going to have matching clothes with this, or at least not that often. These are actually very comfortable. So if you guys want to consider something like a Croc and or you like Crocs, these are very affordable, guys. Pricing is $24, and what Crocs I think are 60 plus. So $24, super comfortable. Another very important thing, you can't forget your umbrella. So if you can't pack a raincoat, you can't pack the shoes, at least bring an umbrella with you. And they're only $5. All right, that's gonna wrap up my video. I hope that gave you some ideas of how to prepare for the rainy season here in Florida. And until next time.